Hi, I'm Carlos Garcia and I'm in 11th grade. I'm representing the Clark Central FFA chapter in Athens, Georgia.
And when you plant these, plant it up to that part.
Okay.
Because the roots are going to grow back. And if you want it to grow big and strong, you got to plant it in a little bit deeper.
My SAE is working here in the Young Urban Farmers program, and it involves recruiting a small group of high schoolers to work here on the garden on an almost daily basis. And the program was created by the Athens Land Trust. Some of the farming skills I've learned through this SAE are proper handling and harvesting of the produce because it requires special handling. We also learn cooking and marketing skills and a little bit of entrepreneurship skills. In cooking, we learned how to use a knife, some safety precautions to always remember, how the cooking industry sort of works, and how to properly design our farm on a small piece of land so that it can be more efficient and produce more. A challenge that I face with my SAE are the farming tasks, because some of them are heavy-duty farming tasks and they require a lot of strength, and sometimes the weather isn't in our favor, so that makes it even harder. I joined FFA because I really liked the leadership opportunities it had to offer and the career development events and the trips. My advice for other urban students would be for them to contact their ag teachers and contact local farmers markets and try to get in touch with them and see if they can rearrange something for their project. This SAE has made me realize that I do want a career in agriculture and that I want to go to a four-year public college and that I want to major either in animal science or agriculture.